Welcome automation workflows. What pops in your head when you think about it? Are you worried that you will need to spend so much time that it will squeeze out all your creativity? Let me tell you something. You don't need to worry because I have 5 effective yet simple email ideas to expand your welcome flow. Would you like to generate more orders, engage and delight your customers, and save time all at once? Then listen closely and get ready to steal these ideas. Number 1, meet the founders. Tell your audience about yourself or your story. Let them know who you are, what inspired you to start your brand, and what keeps you going. That way you can get one step closer to your subscribers and gain their trust. Number 2, follow us on social media. People use social media apps and platforms all day, so it's a perfect opportunity to engage with your audience, show amazing content, and promote your bestsellers and new releases. Let them know what platforms your brand has and encourage them to subscribe so they don't miss special offers or discounts. Number 3, customer reviews. Nothing advocates better for your brand than your customer reviews. Pick your best sellers, find great reviews, add beautiful product pictures, and include that email in your flow. That way you will show your audience amazing people who trust and love your brand and promote your products. Number 4, FAQs. Sometimes buyers can have questions that make them doubt the purchase. You can avoid that if you include this email in your flow. Pick the most frequent questions your shoppers have and remove their doubts. How long do I have to wait? Tell them about your free shipping if you offer it. What if I'm not satisfied with my order? Tell them about your amazing return policy. You get the point. And number 5, welcome offer. If you don't have an offer in your automation, it could be a good idea to include one. That way you can drive more sales when people join your brand's community. And it doesn't have to be a discount. You can give them free shipping on their first order or include a gift. Now remember, every single subscriber you get goes through your welcome flow. So it's important to expand and optimize it so their experience with your brand is instantly set on the right course. So go and be the best at email marketing. What if I'm not satisfied with my order? Tell them about your amazing